Just one example of all the flooding in Washington County today. Amy Wadas is live tonight with local emergency management coordinators and what they're saying about the damage there. Amy.
Christine, the Burgettstown Emergency Management Coordinator tells me a disaster emergency was also declared here in Burgettstown because of all of the flooding that they had. Now, we are standing in front of State Route 18. You can see it is back open, but that was a different story earlier. It was shut down to all of the traffic. And to give you an idea of how bad this flooding was, these two dumpsters that are sitting right by me, they were actually all the way over here in the grass. Believe that, yeah, they traveled that far. And then this window here on this home, the floodwater when we got here earlier today, it was almost up to the top of that first floor window. So unbelievable. Let's show you some of that footage that we saw when we first got to the scene this afternoon. It filled the parking lot of the McDonald's and nearby IGA grocery store. We saw cars were partially submerged underwater and even one stranded in the street. Now, businesses in a nearby plaza were shut down because the water was so high. No one could get into work or even shop. Residents say they couldn't believe what they saw.
I haven't seen it this bad since 2004 when Hurricane Ivan came through.
A lot of high water everywhere. It was just raging earlier. It was in Family Dollar.
And nearby Raccoon Creek, which is also known as Burgett's Fork, was raging, which pushed debris and again those dumpsters I mentioned all over the place. And now cleanup, of course, is the main focus today, tonight, tomorrow, the next several days.